video, I will show you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake, and don't forget to like and subscribe. To connect your TikTok to Facebook, all you have to now go and copy your TikTok username. After you open TikTok, so tap on this section, profile, and tap on this edit profile button. So now tap on this username to copy your TikTok username. Here is my username, so I'll just copy my username. Don't press your hand and copy it. So now close your TikTok app. Go to Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right, at top right side, as you can see now. Open your profile picture, this one. After you open your profile picture, tap on this edit profile button. So now scroll to down and tap on this section which says links. So tap on this edit links. Under this edit link, tap on this add, as you can see now, did add social links. So now all you have to do now, tap on this platform and select TikTok. After you select TikTok, now all you have to do now, paste in your link in this session, or your username in this session. So as you can see now, here is my username for TikTok. After you finish typing your username, tap on this save button on your keyboard. So now as you can see now, here is my TikTok username. Now I add my TikTok to my Facebook. So now all you have to do now, tap on this save button. So now go back. Now, so as you can see now at the bottom right, as you can see now, here is my TikTok on my Facebook. Now as you can see, here is my TikTok now on my Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.